So let's discuss with this thing, that is cyber security. A positive view means here we are just discussing about cyber security, how to details with this, how to cover these things. That is a positive approach towards cyber security. Then this is short my profile. That is about my experience, industry experience, qualification, area thinking. This is no matter. Then go to the next. It is about cyber security. So when we're dealing with the cyber security, we generally the concept in our mind is that it is a protecting networks, computer networks. It also means that it protect the computer programs, data from attack or damage, or to protect our system from damaging and unauthorized access through the use of technologies, processes, and practices. In general, it means that we are using the number of digital technologies to protect our computer from the intruder, from the hackers, and the except intruder in the networking. Okay, so it is just means a definition of our cyber security. Then next is the importance of this cyber security for the student point of view. Means you can put these things. Okay, so it encompasses everything, that is it include all the things. Majorly it protect our sensitive data, then personally identifiable information, PII, means personally means we things from which we can identify ourselves on a cyber network, in a cyberspace, in a social network. So we can identify ourselves, means you can, this is the identity of mine. Then next is a protected health information, that is PHI. Our health information generally we are putting on the net because of some insurance company want to share our information. So we are sharing our health information. So these things should be protected. Then personal information like intellectual property, that is things which are put up, that is our social account or bank's detail. Then our assets which we are put on the internet, that is in terms of PR card. So these are called the intellectual property, that which are defined by ourselves. Okay, then data and governmental and industrial information system. Okay, all these things should be kept safe from the theft and the damage attempted by the criminals and the adversaries. Means those person who are trying to attack our system, we have to protect them by safe. So this is the important thing that which we have to keep in our mind, that we have to protect all the our information, sensitive information, personal data, personal health record, which is the main objective of the cyber security for our purpose. Then the cyber attacks. Okay, so it is the major things, major step, that is what are the different types of cyber attacks, which include the majorly, that is a phishing, then man in the middle attack, that is MIM, then SQL injection, cross-site scripting, DDoS, that is distributed denial of service attack, then artificial intelligence power attack, password attack, then eavesdrop attack, drive-by attack, and the ransomware attack. Here we detail with the go with the detail. That is the first is the phishing attack. That is whale phishing, spear attack, and farming. So what is phishing? Phishing is something, it is called as when you are online or you are go to the online, you are live on the internet, and someone interfere in your connection, and they treat as they are the source person on behalf of you. That is on behalf of your account, they are communicating with the another person. That is the phishing. Sometimes it is also happen that you are communicating with a person that you want to communicate, you want to share the information, but actually those person is a fisher. It is not a real or identical person. So that is called as phishing. Then man in the middle attack means sometimes session hijacking, IP spoofing, or replay. Means session hijacking means you are just dealing the connection with the server. For example, your mail connection or your social internet site connection, and someone just hijack this connection from your origin of the server. They maintain the connection with their own server, and you are thinking that you are connecting to the server lively. Then next is IP spoofing, means it is generally attack happens when there is a network based communication is done, especially in the organization. What happened? you are just putting the IP address of that organization or IP address of that DNS server into a system so that you are connected to that network, and the person man in the middle done this thing, that is they are copied this IP address of the same organization from their own system, and you are indirectly communicating with their that man in the middle server on behalf of your authenticated server, and you are all the dealing all the details, you are inputting username password, you are doing only transaction with their that individual servers on behalf of the authenticated server. So that is called as a man in the middle. Then cross-site scripting means XSS, that is it is generally happen with the web browser. Cross-site scripting, it is the script run on your client side, and you are doing all these things, and your all the activities recorded by the server, and they space they hijacks or information. That is a cross-site scripting. Then DDoS attack, you know very well. That is in DDoS attack, what pattern? If the server had the capacity of the 10,000 client connection one per hour, okay, one in short you can say that hourly the server can handle the 10,000 connections, and the attacker do these things, what that is they are putting the more than 1 lakh requested to the server in a hour. It shows that server get down because they are providing the requested to the number of clients. Actually their limit is the 10,000, so they are trying to just reach to the 15 or 20,000. But here what happened, the attacker put the 1 lakh request to that server, okay, and of course the server gets slow because of this denial excess service attack, okay, also called as a distributed DDoS attack. Then next is the AI powered artificial based attack. It is very dangerous that in this the machine is also included with the human interfacing, okay, because at a time human can make the mistake but button cannot. So here machine are trigger and they are configured for that severe attack, okay, even they can imagine that the person can what do in the next step. So that is very severe attack. And the password attack, that is brute force guessing. Here there are two types of attack, that is brute force guessing and the dictionary attack. So in this case what happen, the password may be guessed by your activities, your past record in the internet. They hijack your password, they can access your password by the dictionary attack also. In dictionary A to Z all the combinations are already placed, so here the separate firmware will be created, some special technique that they are using, so that the system is attached to that password login page, and automatically your password can be trapped from the dictionary. So this is also dangerous, that is you can access your password. And the next is drive-by attack, it is the USB based attack. In what happen in USB based attack, that is I already told that those lots of pen drive are scattered in an organization, on the field, on the parking, or even a canteen. So any one person can read their pen drive, then can access the pen drive, thus they attach the pen drive to a organization laptop or their personal laptop or anywhere in the cyber cafe. So automatically the virus can be transferred from the human being to the machine, and who is responsible, that is the user of that organization, not a attacker, okay. Then next is the ransomware attack. In this what happen, ransomware, that is a person can attack on your system, they encrypt all your data from your hard disk, they do not delete it, they do not format the anything, they just encrypt the whole and data from your hard disk and put a encryption key here, okay. So next time if you want your data back, then you have to pay that person, so that they will give the decryption key and you can decrypt your data back on. So this is very clear, that is what happened in this case, the whole data is came from you, whole data is made up of you, so still you have to pay to get back your data from your system, okay. That is a very dangerous, that is ransomware attack. Then eavesdropping attack. Eavesdropping attack, that is someone called that you are connecting online, they just make their own connection, so that you have to enter into that connection, you think that you are connected to the internet, but here what happens, the person create their own virtual private network and you are connecting to their own network through that person's network. So all the activities managed by that VPN person, or you can say that the individual person, that is also. So eavesdropping attacks is similar, that persons can interfere you, they can connect your system to their own virtual private network system, okay. So this This is about the types of attack. Then cyber security threats. So these are the number of threats. We are not limited this to 4 threats. There are lots of threats that because of the cyber, but we just bifurcate it, and there's some just steps that how we can create the threats technique, threats prevention technique. So here there are one, that the first one is the removable media, which we I think we discuss is very well. That is about the pen drive, about the CD, or some kind you can about the hard disks. I don't think say that no person can reach the hard disk which they found at their parking slot or their canteen. They of course they pick up that hard disk and try to attach their hard disk at their own laptop or in the system in a college. Okay, so then that is the social engineering technique. One thing is that social engineering techniques. In techniques, what happen? The persons do the things with your social account. For example, let us consider that McDonald's is a very good organization, for the fooding. Okay, if someone can try to this create their own page, just look like as a McDonald's, and they put their page link on a Facebook as a Facebook video. Nowadays, the Instagram, Facebook are very popular to brands to showing the social video. In Instagram, there is a reel option. In reel, you have to just slide up and down the videos for watching it. So in this case, the person just upload their own page on behalf of the McDonald on the Facebook, and you are just clicking on the McDonald to order the food. You are putting all the things, or you are putting all the details like your first name, last name, email address, mobile number, etc. So they ask the one-time password for you for your confirmation, and you are giving that things, and it is very dangerous for you that if you just give anything like OTP, the whole money can withdraw from your account. That is dangerous, because here the person using the social engineering techniques, of course you doesn't know about anything, but you are familiar with the McDonald, so you just click on that page. Okay, then next with the unpatched and outdated software. Unpatched and outdated, generally nowadays everyone go to purchase the laptop, that is they are investing money from the 60 to 70,000 or 50,000, but just they are using the pirated operating system. If you want Windows, then very few people that in which they get the inbuilt Windows operating system, they are using the Windows, but other are they are using the totally pirated software. Okay, because some people think that it is very difficult to handle the Ubuntu operating system or Linux operating system, so they go for the pirated version. Okay, so that is a major issue for protecting these things. One and more that is they are using outdated software like antivirus thing. Of course, I don't know. I know that is you are a very busy person, so we are using the pirated operating system. No matter, but at least you can use the original antivirus software so that it will kind of help you to protect your system from this intruder, antivirus, and malwares. Okay, so if you doesn't provide us security software like patching your operating system, so at that time you have to put the antivirus, you have to install it, and every time you have to update that antivirus also. Okay, so this quite help you to protect your system. Then next is the weak and default password. Weak and default password means what happen in this case. In this case, it is weak means the password which are very weak, like 1234, then ABCDE, then your first name underscore last name @ 123. These are very weak password. And default one, that is admin 123, then user 123. Okay, someone place the password, I think password is equal to password. Okay, so password 123, password @ 123. These are the very weak password they are putting it. If nowadays we are putting the number of accounts on internet like your Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, then your own account password, that is Windows password, then your email password. So there are lots of passwords you are handling on internet. So many more people think that why go for the different password, just use the same password for the everyone account, and it is very too dangerous thing that you are do. That is, if you put the same password, then there is lots of chances that all your accounts can get hacked or can get accessed unauthenticated. So that is the issue, the weekend default password. Then we put a cyber impact successfully facts in statistics. I am providing these things. Okay, At the bottom side you will visible there is a link which shows that the data came from that link. So just go to that. The human security breaches, which 95% of human are responsible for cyber crimes they are happening, only 95%, because the humans nature, human things, human uneducational things, human their policies are responsible for here. Okay, then spear phishing, that we are discussed this phishing attack. So 88% attacks are happen on the spear phishing. Then business leaders security risks are increasing for the business leaders. They think 60% business have threat that their security can be damaged by the attackers, and 87% crime are motivated on the financially. Okay, so very 45% attacks are breaches on the hacking purpose. Okay, so in this if you observe that the financial attacks are very well as compared to the hacking. Okay, and the only 5% people in the organization have secured their folder, only 5% people. Okay, so they put the various files in a folders, but the ratio is too low, that is 5%. That is the truth, that is actual things that is they are going. Then cybercrime in 2020 in India, what the things behind this cyber crime? It is the ratio, it is the percentage ratio. And during lockdown there are 4500 cyber crimes are complete registered, only registered complaints are 4500. So imagine what beyond the which are not registered in a cyber cell, or which are the people are afraid about, or people are unaware that they can complain their things. Okay, some people think that they are lose their money, but they doesn't know how to register the complaint. Within the 30 days if they register, then they can get their money, there is a chances that they can get the money, but after 1 month there is no chance. Okay, so this is thing that is 62% online financial fraud are happening in India. 24% social media, primarily online harassment. They are hijacking the thing, they are hijacking it all over, they can stolen the data on a Facebook, WhatsApp, like this thing. That is the ratio of 24%. And the 14% is done with the hacking, that is identity theft and the data theft. So this is the percentage in 2020 in India. They the psychology of the cyber security means there are number of number of peoples are involved in a cyber crime, that is nation state, and their motivation of course it is a political. Then second person is the cyber criminal, second person is the cyber criminal, their motivation is the profit, only comes to earn the money by doing the cyber thing. Then activities, third person is the activities. Activities means there is a ideological, means there it is the hobby of that person that is doing the activity which are similar to the hacking. And then fourth is the terrorist group, which is ideological violence, means this is very dangerous group. It can do with the activities at the local, the national and the international levels. Then next was the thrill seekers, that is we is doing these things, that is satisfaction. Of course it comes to the activities also, but thrill seekers others they can take the risk, they doesn't afraid about their imprisonment. Then next is the very danger, that is insider threats, means the person who already work in an organization, they can do, there is very self destructive things that they can do with their organization. Okay, that is which is things they have to maintain in organization, and that is the your they are obedient, and they are not obedient with the organization, they do the lots of risky work. Then problems and solution, with this solution, that is I think the problems cannot, you cannot measure the problems at the deep level, but you can get the solution by doing some smart work in your organization or in a things. Okay, so now here we go with the problems and solution. Okay, so there are lots of problem, that is the DDoS attacks, malware, phishing scams, and internal misuse. These are the kinds of problems. Okay, are you getting this? Yes. Okay, right now it is audible. Okay, so here there are a number of problems, that is DDoS attacks, malware, phishing scam, and internal misuse. Then, and the solution there is, that is the predictive analysis. Predictive analysis means while doing the things, you have to aware about the activities which you are doing in our online things. Okay, especially in the handling of the social accounts, then your online banking system, and the things that we are doing for the installation of the software from internet. At this time, you have to take a care. Then next is the backup critical data. So sometimes in WhatsApp or in a Facebook or in a Twitter, there is a provision of taking the backup. And generally, we are in this field that we are using our data very sensitively. I think currently we are having the plan of 1.5 GB per day or 2 GB per day. But while taking the data, you are thinking that all your data will go to the taking the backup. So you are refusing that the backup things. And when there is need, at that time you have no backup. So your system will get full damage. So to avoid this, be care, take a backup regularly or weekly or monthly of your system, of your mobile, of your social account. Then cyber insurance. Nowadays, the company also provide the cyber insurance to your account, that especially email and our social account. So keep ready, keep register with this insurance company. And the next one is the bug bounties. In bug bounties, what happen? You have to allow the people to hack your account, so that you will get the your errors from your organization, and you can offer that person the role of ethical hacker in your organization or your company, so that you will get foolproof according to the hacking point of view. So that is called a bug bounties. And you can also provide the training and awareness to your employees also, so that they can be ready for the next future cyber attack. They can put the solution, they can make a security softwares to your system for your organization, for your servers, and the client terminal also. Okay, so this is a 5 cyber security tips that you can use to protect your system, or you can say that to make a defensive system, or you can say the foolproof. So out of that, the first one is the be careful what you share. That is, you have to know about the knowledge, that is how to share and how to withdraw the post that you are sharing on your social account, especially Facebook and the WhatsApp. Then lock up and shut down your system when there is no work on your system. The switch off your system, and then log out from your all accounts. Then avoid phishing mails. When you think that there is a mail which shows that you get a lucky draw or you have allocate this amount of money, so don't avoid these things. That is today's world. No one give you the free 1 rupees also. So to reject this thing, block that mail or don't click on anything on that phishing mail. Then use the HTTP website. The on the URL, that is uniform resource locator bar, there is always mentioned HTTPS. So first check that website is the HTTPS or not. If it is HTTPS, then go to the website, otherwise close that window. Then last, that is use the password manager. In password manager, what happen, you can select a number of passwords which can be saved on an account, single account. Especially Firefox have provide this facility. So use the password manager, we store all your password, so that there is no need to remember a password or no need to make a easy password of the save password on your website. So this password manager will help you every time when you log out to a particular website. And this password manager doesn't store this password on your own their web server also. It does not saving anything. So don't think that your all the password will be saved on their server. Okay. Then here I am showing the web links which you provide the detailed knowledge about cyber things. That is for showing the cyber attack. That is which I already show you to the live cyber attack. Then credit card generators. From here we can make a free credit card. And then if you want to use that original credit cards with the details, then you can check here the that is alternance.is website, which show the card world. The last, that is pen test penetration tool, like network scanning, then port scanning, then IP scanning. Or you can, if you want to take a burp shoot, that is a used for the scanning the website, especially online shopping. So you can use the pen test from this website. Yes, of course. At the last, that is there is Kali Linux and the Parrot Linux, which have the penetration tool software, which have inbuilt near about 300 to 400 security tools we can use for the learning purpose. So for this, we are providing this Kali Linux and Parrot Linux cyber links. So at last, we ending with the session. So thank you all for being present in this session. So here I end up. Thank you. Thank you very much.